Hi, Paul Hefty here with 493W. I want to do our last lecture, just real quick, some last bits and a wrap up. Let's take a look. So, do list here quick. We're just going to go over one more time some kinesiology internship opportunities, some final grading process, and then just one last look at sport. So again, if you need to fulfill a kinesiology 395 or 495 internship coming up, I help connect people to supervisors in sport areas, sports performance here at Penn State, sport management with different facilities in the area, and then coaching internships with mostly state high. Again, go to the website. You can get information there, but then just email me and I can help get you connected. Final grading. Portfolio is due Tuesday of final weeks at 8 a.m. and I'll start grading right away. You can turn it in early if you want to get things wrapped up. Just remember, I am required by the university to submit grades to the registrar 48 hours after the due date. So Thursday, I've got to send those in, make sure they're done. Another key point, it has to be uploaded on Canvas for me to grade, so make sure you're checking your emails in case something happens with the format and it's not working. I'll email you to get something up before that deadline of Thursday. If you've got questions or concerns, please check the grade, all the grades, check the summary. Sometimes I make mistakes, let me know. Or if you have a complaint, happy to meet with you. We can do that in my office here in Rec Hall, one-on-one, or we can set up a Zoom, either way. And again, thanks for doing this CEQ. I love feedback. I love trying to evolve and get better with the class, and your feedback is very important to me. Thanks. One last thought, maybe sport, maybe life should just be fun. So hopefully through the class you had some fun and you gained a healthy respect, maybe a better understanding for sports, athletes, and coaches. And personal thought here, I just believe balance is real important as kind of the key to quality leadership. So one last look at sport and leadership. There's these awesome videos. People are awesome. Look at that. It's uplifting. Remember, it's all about people. It's not a program. It's not a place. It's about people. And then number two, just a quick pep talk to finish things off where we started with Kid Prez. Kind of my message to you is go create something awesome, meaning I really want to thank you and wish you good luck because I learned a ton from all of you and had a lot of fun myself. So hopefully this was a positive experience for you. Happy to stay afterwards and do questions, but otherwise, good luck. Finish strong. Thanks.